Hey everyone, it's Chris from Fidel with Fidel Real Estate, and we are back with our latest South Tampa property for sale. This one right behind me, 777 North Ashley Drive in downtown Tampa. Now, these are the Skypoint Condominiums. They're luxury condominiums that are mere steps from Tampa Riverwalk, Curtis Hixon Park, restaurants, shops, you name it, you're near it. In addition to that, the actual condominiums themselves have resort-style pool, fitness center, 24-hour concierge service, and the unit, which is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, has been completely updated from top to bottom. Let's go ahead and take a look around.